Today we are with Anna. Hi Anna, nice to meet you. Thank you for having us here. Can you tell us more about your company? What's the name of your company and what are your products?
Our company name is Meishile Toys. We are very professional on RC toys produce. So more than 8 years experience and also for export experience.
What are your main markets?
Our main market is European, USA, East Asia.
Okay, and now it's time to check the products. Let's check the hot selling products that you have.
Okay, it's wow,
it's big. What you can do with this one?
This is amphibious.
Okay.
Can play in the water and also on land. Like the function here, also can be climbing. We sell this also with license. It's official licensee products.
Oh, okay. So you do have a controller, right? This is the controller. Here you can see the controller.
Yes.
Okay, and then can you show us your new products?
New also is the robot. This is with a multi-function.
Okay, but by the way, they have a lot of function. There is the P function, Kung Fu, Grit. There are a lot of function. So it's very funny for the kids to use this one, and it's actually even pretty easy to use. And we have a new one probably with battery. Can we use the same one?
Yes, same one.
So it's extremely funny. And what is the minimum order quantity for this one?
It's 5 cartons.
5 cartons.
Yeah,
okay.
we have 2 color, gray color
and the pink one.
Color.
Okay, so what if what if customer would like to contact you?
Our contact information is.
Can we find
name tag?
Yes. The contact information. This is the website, right?
Yes.
So you can go to the website that is www.mxmodel.com, and those are the contacts. You have the WeChat account, and then you have a mobile number, the fax number, and Skype, and the email is sales@mxmodel.com.